going to be discussing the compare and contrast essay that we're working on, and I want to hear from you the differences between high school and college, because there are differences. So what was your high school time like? What was your college career for right now? What has it been like? What one word would you give that would give me the impression of what your high school time was like and then what your college time was like? I just want to hear from a number of you. Let's quickly hear the high school word, then the college, okay? So a few of you share with me, please. What's that high school word, then college? Shy. Successful for high school, and then what's your college word? Challenging. Okay, successful and challenging. I want to hear from someone else.
Playful and serious.
Serious?
Playful and serious.
Oh, you went from playful in high school, I'm assuming, to serious in college. Okay, good. Let's hear from somebody else. Lazy to working. Okay, good. Keep going. I want to hear from a few other people. Josh.
Boring in high school.
Okay, I hear boring in high school, and then what'd you give me in college? Irritated. Okay, so you were bored and now you're irritated. Okay, all right. Let me hear one or two other things. Chanel, let me hear from you. Say it again.
Okay and better.
Oh, interesting. Simple and to the point, okay and better. Now what I want you to hear is that there's been change. Some of you have chosen to do your compare and contrast as similarities, and that's fine. But for most of you, you're identifying the fact that there has been a change between high school and college. Some of you are struggling with that opinion word, or how to be able to incorporate that opinion word inside your thesis statement. And I want you to consider what you have identified in high school and now college. Those words could become your two opinion words inside your thesis statement. So I want to hear from a few of you, what opinion word right now do you have in your thesis statement? What opinion word have you chosen? Talk to me. Take a look at your thesis. What opinion word is there? Shankula, what opinion word do you have?
I put interesting.
Interesting, okay. Give me a few others. So Vanya, what do you have?
A bit different.
A bit different, okay. All right, let me hear one or two other opinion words. Cookie, what do you have? Challenging is the one you used. Okay, Speed, what about you? Say it again.
Really?
One more time.
Not really, but differences.
Okay, so you have that word differences, and that's really your only opinion word that you can find in there? Okay, remember that with the compare and contrast, you're letting me know that there are either some similarities or differences in that thesis statement. I want you to consider what words you have written down between high school and college and see, can I include those words in my thesis statement? Will it make it stronger? Will I be able to communicate more of what has happened or what has changed? Because those sort of things will be able to make a difference in making a good, strong thesis statement, okay? So keep that in mind. All right, look at your first part. What's your first part inside your thesis statement? Because we're right now going to write that first topic sentence and see how we can put that topic in place. Now, you guys, you are talking about high school to college, but I do not want these topic sentences to be cookie cutters. What I do not want to hear is, as I moved from high school to college, I have discovered a difference in schoolwork. Also, as I've moved from high school to college, I've discovered a difference in, don't do that, okay? All right, you're in college, we're gonna be creative with these topic sentences. So I want you to think of the different ways in which you can say high school and college. Talk to me about that. What are a few ways that you could say high school? High school, obviously, but how else can you say it? Well, what's the name of your high school? What's your name of your high school? Okay, so you can use that, right? Just use the name of your high school. So that's one way. What's the name of your college? CSU. So you can also use that. So I want you to consider that as an aspect. Here's another one. Oh, yes.
So I got a question.
Yeah.
So in every transitional sentence that I have, high school and college, or in my high school and college?
In every topic sentence, you're going to have the topic. Okay? I want you to remember that you've got that topic that's there, and the topic of this paper is high school to college. But you're going to have that in every topic sentence, okay? But I don't want it to sound high school to college, high school to college. I want you to figure out different ways you can say it. So one way can be the name of it that you can put it in. We're about to write those topic sentences right now, okay? So think about that. Another way you can do is back then and now, okay? But you don't want to do that in your first topic sentence. You want to wait to your second or third, maybe even your fourth. But you can talk about when I lived back home and now that I'm here on campus. Do you hear where you've got home and campus? It starts to imply high school to college. So, as we're writing on these topic sentences, I want you to think of a creative way to be able to do that. If inside your thesis statement you have said, as I've moved from high school to college, then for this first topic sentence, let's change it up. I would suggest use the names. talk about the name of your high school and then use the name of your college. And that will give us a bit of variety from our thesis statement. Your first part is what you're going to then also talk about, and ways in which you can change up these topic sentences is by putting the part at the beginning, or put the part in the middle, put the part at the end. Okay, use variety. We're going to see what we can do to create some variety. So, what is that first topic sentence going to look like? I want you to start writing it. It's one sentence. Make sure you have that clear topic and the focus, and it needs to match the first part in your thesis statement. Okay? Go ahead and write it, and I'm going to call on a few of you to share it with me.